Begin by reviewing comparative forms of adjectives. Start by asking your students to give examples and write them on the board. Next, divide the class into pairs or trios. Adjust depending on the number of students. They're going to listen to song extracts containing comparative adjectives. They'll have 3 chances to guess the right comparative form. They don't need the whole sentence, just the adjective, like closer or faster. Now play the video. Song 1 will be played 3 times in a row. Pause the video and have students write down their answers. Play more times if needed. Check what the teams wrote down. If you're teaching online, use the chat feature, like Zoom's in-meeting chat, for students to send their answers. Assign 1 point for each correct answer. If there are multiple comparative adjectives, award points for each one. Repeat this for the next song extracts. The team with the most points wins. For the complete instructions and answers, check the link in the video description. Visit songactivityfactory.com for more free, song-based lesson plans and ideas. Happy teaching!